bumpy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the road closed up there.
No, it's not. It's back there.
That's good.
Yeah. They were really working on Haven Ridge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Proceed 2 miles on the current road.
That noise.
I don't know. The tires on the dirt. Little bird.
A bird just crossed us?
Yeah.
How funny.
We almost got hit.
You almost got hit.
Yeah.
What's going on up here? Hopefully it's not yellow red.
Right?
You hope so?
Yeah.
Hope what?
I hope it's not yellow red.
I know. Me too. Are the gates up there or?
Gates are up.
Oh, the truck cutting the grass up here. You see him?
Oh, yeah. Keep your fingers crossed.
It's hard to see the other side sometimes.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Right now I can't.
Is it red or green?
I can't see the signal.
Yeah, red, I think. But what's the other side? There's a southbound back there?
There must be.
What?
That means northbound.
Yeah. But what was the other side? Green?
I couldn't see it.
I think it was green.
Was it?
There was no southbound as we were coming here, was there?
Mm-mm.
Must be a northbound coming. What time is that at?
Oh, we have time to wait for a little while.
Okay. Red. That's funny. You want to park at a car lot this time?
That's up to you.
That'll work.
Okay.
Because we did the laundromat last time, remember?
Right.
Let's see if it's still red. I think it might be a northbound. You know?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Uh-huh. You
Maybe
check. I can't turn my neck.
Yellow red?
No, red.
Really? Must be one coming.
Yeah.
It's
We can sit for a little while.
yeah, if we don't see it, it's okay.
Okay.
We'll probably see it.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It's usually it's about 340 or 50 sometimes.
Okay.
Just depends. Maybe it switched right as we're at the house. You never know.
You never know, yeah.
Yep. That was cool though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till we park at the car lot.
Okay.
It wasn't yellow red. That's funny.
No, it was red.
Wow. I hope it doesn't rain down us now.
Yeah.
You know? That's a different time.
Yeah.
Because last time it was around 12:30.
Oh, really?
Remember it can't come till 2 o'clock.
Yeah, that's true.
But this one's around 3, so it might come around 3.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Turn right now.
I think we're good.
In 400 feet, turn left.
Well, let's see where it is when we park at the car lot.
Yeah.
Can you look at figure 1 and see if it's still red, maybe?
Okay.
I don't think it was a southbound.
Mm-mm.
Huh. What was Pound Road?
I couldn't see it. There was a tree in the way.
I think it was green. I think that was red, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop filming. Sound good?
It sounds good.
We might get lucky.
You never know.
You have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Hang on.